Hi everyone, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. So we've got an alert here to buy the Swiss Japanese yen. So what we're going to do now is buy. We're going to buy this market. There's something happening in this area. And we're going to have our take profit at, just plot out what's in the system first. So let me plot this first. So take profit is 1.1725. $1.1725. Okay, we'll let you know as soon as we hit the take profit target. Thanks for watching. Hi guys, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. And as you can see, we have a trade, and right now it's in positive, so we're up about $15 right now. So our target is 1.1725 in that area. So as soon as it hits that target, we will definitely close our trade, because there is something happening in this area here that caused us to enter the trade, and we're sticking to the system that we're actually trading right now. So yeah, so we'll stick to the system, and just zoom in there a little bit so you can see a lot clearer, and we'll come back and let you know how we go. Thanks for watching.
All participants are muted, and they can unmute themselves.
Yeah, so welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. As you can see, we actually took the trade as a buy, and it just now it retraced a bit, and now just going back up towards the previous high right now. So it retraced a bit. We ended the secondary trade here, so now just going past the previous high here. So it's about to break through to probably now another 12 pips to go before it can break through towards our take profit here of 11725. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to actually close one of my trade, which is a secondary trade. I'm trying to work out which one. I think it's this one here. Close. Okay, so we closed one secondary trade. The margin level is now 832%, and with a profit, we closed with a profit of 25.92. So it gives us a new balance of 560 and 94. So we've got one trade, which is the original trade, left in the in this pair, on this currency pair, and looks like we're halfway there. As soon as we actually reach our target, we're gonna come back and let you know how we go. So see you back shortly. Thank you for watching. Hi everyone.
All participants are muted, and they can unmute themselves.
Yeah, just want to tell you, welcome back to Simple Forex Trader. So it looks like we are going to hit our take profit target right now. We're aiming for 123. So right now it's about 117.21. So we aim to get about 23. So when we get that, we're going to close it manually. So looks like it's just sitting around at 20, and it's retracing a bit now. So just want to let you know. So we can actually also close this trade manually as well. So now it's getting towards the last 10 minutes of the hour. So what that means is that we can see some sort of market movement in this hour. So I hope it will continue the push towards our take profit target right now. So we're currently up at according to our profit here down here is $61.30. Now we took two trade. This one is already, the first one we're up about 25.92, give us a balance of 560.92. Now, just want you to know the bounce is 560.92, but the equity down here is 615.91. So equity is more because we've got one trade that is running right now in the positive. The margin level 72.21, the free margin 543. So that's is less the margin amount. Will give you that. So it's the balance less the it's the equity less the margin amount will give us a free margin level. And also we actually up in terms of our percentage, in terms of our leverage margin level is 854%. So we are comfortably in a nice leverage, nice comfortable conservative account right now. So we're looking at closing this trade. I hopefully want to close it soon by the end of this candle, maybe, because as soon as we hit the 20 or the 21, just gonna close it. So we already made enough on our first trade, plus this one is also giving us a nice also profit as well. So looks like 20, 21, 21, 19. So we just have to let this candle end. This candle here has to end. So it's going to be a manual close, sitting at 20, 64 now, 65, 20, 21 and a half, 21 and a half, 22, 22 and a half, close. Okay, so I've closed the trade manually. I didn't actually wait that long. So but the other accounts that I have is actually taking off right now. But now the close is $69, gives a total balance of $92.77, and we actually now $628.85. So now we actually make so much right now. I think in terms of percentage, we make about, let me just close a few other accounts right now that I have running, and then we go back and let you know. So I made about, we start at I think 528, so nearly now it's 92, so nearly 30%, guys, 30% in profit today. Everyone's excited, and look, we're hitting our target here, 23. So I'll start to close some of the other account as well, because sometimes I get too greedy. When I get too greedy, I want to just hang on to it, but then you know, don't want to hang on to it. It's just not the right thing to do. Alright, so just to recap everything, what we did here is that we enter a trade in this area here, somewhere, and then our take profit is up here. So I think all our accounts are closed. Let me check the other account. Okay, so every account's closed. That's good. Alright, so we enter all the trades somewhere in this area here, and as soon as we enter a trade, it retraces back down a little bit. I think we entered down here, and then it went up, and then I took another trade here when it was actually retracing. I went up to here, I closed it, and come back a bit. Now it's went back up to our take profit here. We also use the this wave calculator here. This is a wave calculator here to plot where our take profit target will be. So I just want to show you how I do that using the wave calculator. So you plot a 1 at one of the bottom, and a 2 at the top, and then a 3 is just somewhere in the retracement. So there's our take profit target right there. So that's why it shows us precisely where we actually take profit. This is the blue box here is our entry area. So if you enter, if you want to wait, like some student in our class, they wait and re-enter here, and then that's also good. Our stop loss is down here as well. Stop loss, make a stop loss right here, stop loss here, and our entry is here. So I just want to make it clear for a student, and then our take profits up here. And using the wave calculator here, it gives us 3 targets. The first target is 117.17, which is about 28 pips. The second target is 117.20, which is about 33 pips or 32 and a half, and the third target is 117.23, which is about 35 pips. So we hit our target here. I think it's just touched that, but we closed it manually already, so that's fine. And yeah, that's how our system works. We start here. This is the London Open here, so we start at like 10 minutes before the London session, and we enter the trade on this pair. This is the Swiss yen. So there you go, everyone. And in the meantime, just thanks everyone for watching, and we are now up in profit of $92 here. If you see the profit here, 1, 2, give us $92.77, give us a total balance of $628.85. So we started with $200, and now our challenge is now hitting towards $628. So we hope to get $1,000 by end of this week. Once it hits 1,000, things will take off towards 10,000 in within probably a couple weeks. But we actually on our first. I think this is the 1 month and first week now of this challenge. Okay, so thanks everyone for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. I'll see you back next time. Bye for now.